Back Pain Yoga Part 7. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back with the chair position. Let's begin. First of all, bring your thighs together, close together. Feel that heat. And then reach for the sky, very high up in the sky, and then bring your palms together. Centered heart, and feel the lovely vibration. And then gently put all your weight behind your heels and bend slowly. Let your knees guide you. And then with your elbow, bring it towards your knee on the edge, like so. Gently look up to the sky. Breathe out for the deep stretch. You can feel it on your hip, back spine. And then for the crack, deep breath out. And then for the crack. Reach out for the sky, reach. Breathe. Palms together. Put all your weight on your heels. Slowly bend your knees, let it guide you down. And then elbows on the edge of your knee. Look up gently for the sky. Breathe out for a deeper stretch. And then for the crack, push your elbow against your knee and twist up. Go back up. Fill all the energy into your body. Improve your digestion. Improve your vitality and your energy. Please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor, or your mom. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.